you to give some update on a case number 20/2020, which was registered under section 468, 420, 471, 120B of IPC and section 13(2) of PC Act 1988. The case was registered on 18th August 2020 at the SIC Vigilance PS Itanagar. In this case, complainant Sri Tai Robin has approached the SIC with his grievances that in 2016 he have obtained a LPC of a land measuring about 4,125 square meter. This land, the land in question is situated on Chimpu Holangi Road near the garbage ground and that slaughterhouse. So he told us that he has obtained a LPC in 2016, but in 2019 he came to know that for the same land another LPC was issued to one Sri Tai Chachang, and for Tai Chachang the size of land was around 24,504 square meter, and our complainant's land was the part of that bigger land. So after the approval, the preliminary inquiry was conducted. It was done by Inspector Krong. So during the inquiry, it has come to our notice that the procedure while issuing both the LPCs, the first LPC of the complainant and the second LPC of another person, during issuing both the LPCs, the due process was not followed, and some steps were overlooked, and with clear malified intentions, some of the officials who were posted in the office of DLRSO Itanagar Capital Complex in 2019, they have fraudulently issued LPC in lieu of some money or some other things. So accordingly, after the our inquiry officer have recommended the registration of the case, and accordingly the case was registered. During the investigation of case, we have find out that roles of certain officers were doubtful, and today we have arrested 4 persons in that regard. These 4 persons are one Sri Loming Lochang. He is currently posted as DLRSO Leparada, and he was in 2019 when the second LPC was issued. He was DLRSO our Itanagar Capital Complex, and it is under his sign that LPC has been issued. Secondly is one Mr. Dai Tamo. He is SK in ICC. So his job was to do the inspection of the land and to prepare the map. So he has not visited the site and he has prepared the map, and he has fraudulently recommended the issuing of the LPC. Similarly, there is one Ravi Tachang who was the Mandal. So Mandal was the supervising officer of this SK. So he was also involved in this matter. In the second LPC, where they are claiming that the size of land is 24,504 square meter, on inspection of the actual site, we came to know that the land is not at all 20,000 or more square meter. It is a hillock and a steep valley. So then we questioned them, then how did you take the measurement? Did you go, how did you, we have taken them to the site and asked, how did you take the measurement? So they told us that we have taken the measurement through Google Map, not by the actual measurement. So this is clearly in contravention to the rule which are there. An important thing is that Mr. Dai Tamo and Ravi Tachang in DLRSO office, in land management office, the area is divided, like SK has given certain area and Mandal has a certain area. So in the area where they have recommended the issue of LPC, those areas were not under their jurisdiction. So they have, well, this is prima facie showed that they have malified intention. And the 4th person is Sri Bhiman Fukan. He was the dealing assistant who was the keeper of the file, who has kept the file with him. And we suspect that he was actively involved with the above 3 persons. So investigation in this matter is on. As you are aware that in Itanagar Capital Complex, we have a lot of complaint about this issuing LPC and all. So we are investigating into it. If further details will come up, I will again come before you to share them. Thank you. This is all from my side. If you have any question, you can ask.
एसपी साहब, आपने सेकेंड एलपीसी का बताया, फर्स्ट एलपीसी क्या था?
जो फर्स्ट एलपीसी है वो जो हमारे कंप्लेनेंट हैं उनको इश्यू हुई है। जब
इट वाज ओके।
नो दो उसमें भी जो ड्यू प्रोसेस है वो फॉलो नहीं किया गया है। जिन लोगों ने जो वो एलपीसी इश्यू किया है ये उसमें डीएलआरएसओ साहब दूसरे थे, तो उनको भी हमने एग्जामिन किया था। तो उस एलपीसी में जिन डीएलआरएसओ साहब के साइन हैं उन्होंने बोला है कि हमारे साइन नहीं है, किसी ने फ्रॉडेंटली की हैं। बट उनका ये क्लेम अभी हम मतलब पूरी तरीके से नहीं मान रहे हैं। वी आर एग्जामिनिंग इट। सो इफ वी आर सेंडिंग दोज स्पेसिमेन सिग्नेचर टू द एफएसएल। सो वट एवर द रिजल्ट विल बी, वी विल टेक एक्शन अकॉर्डिंगली। सो जो ये
सर आपने जैसे बता रहे हैं कि काफ़ी ऐसा केसेस है लैंड रिकॉर्ड रिलेटेड में, तो सोशल मीडिया में भी बीच में सुना देता है, या कभी कभी हम लोगों को भी किसी से कानों कान सुनने को मिलता है कि ऐसा होता है। तो क्या आप बता सकते हैं कि ऐसा और कितना कंप्लेन है एसआईसी के पास में रिलेटेड टू लैंड अलॉटमेंट, इशू ऑफ एलपीसी और लैंड अलॉटमेंट का प्रोसेस के रिलेटेड में?
देखिए, लैंड रिलेटेड जो प्रोसेस हैं वो ओवरऑल स्टेट में डिफरेंट कंप्लेंट्स है। कुछ प्रिलिमिनरी इंक्वायरी के स्टेज में हैं, एक आध जगह है जहाँ केस भी रजिस्टर है। बट एट प्रेजेंट आई डोंट हैव द कंपाइल्ड डाटा कि टोटल कितना केस हमारे पास है। अभी हम लोग सिर्फ ये कैपिटल कॉम्प्लेक्स की बात कर रहे हैं। अब इन 4 लोगों से पूछताछ करेंगे और अगर इसमें कोई नई बात सामने आती है, अगर ये पता चलता है कि ये लोग दूसरे भी ऐसे किसी मैटर में इन्वॉल्व हैं, तो हम उनको भी आगे इन्वेस्टिगेट करेंगे।
Any more arrest is being expected out of this case?
It all depends what we get in interrogation of the 4 accused. If the name of other suspects will come up, we will definitely arrest them. But at this point of time, I cannot say whether more arrest will happen or not.
सर बीच में पासीघाट का केस आया था, तो उसका क्या अपडेट होगा सर?
The Pathighat land acquisition case, we have arrested one, the then DC, Mr. Tamio Tatak. The other 2 major accused, Mr. Inyo Nankar, the then Director Land Management, and Mr. Ojing Nankar, the then DLRSO Pathighat. At present, they are on interim relief given by Honorable Supreme Court of India. The next hearing of the case is likely to be in the month of July. So we are hoping that the interim relief may be revoked and then we can be able to arrest them.
सर, जैसे कि आपने बताया कि जो लैंड अलॉटमेंट है वो 2 पार्टी को दिया गया। सर जो अलॉटमेंट का पीस ईयरली जो सबमिट करता है सर, तो उसमें सर कुछ मालूम होने का कोई तरीका है ऐसा कुछ?
This I cannot tell. Maybe the persons from officers from land department, they may give you more update about this. What is the checks and balances on this? One important thing is that for the land allotment, if someone has to go for land LPC, they have to get a application form from DC's office, and then they will submit this to the DLRSO, and upon the submission there will be the due process, and then they can be issued LPC. So this process of issuing the application form is all registered and dated. So in this case, in 2019 case, what we have come to know that the application is issued in some other month, means in the later on, and the LPC is issued in an earlier date. Let's suppose LPC is issued today and the application has been issued after 2 or 3 months, so which prima facie shows that it was done all in back date and fraudulently. अब इनको हम लोग इंटरोगेट करेंगे। अगर और किसी ऑफिसर्स के नाम आते हैं और इनसे अगर हमको और कोई ऐसे एलपीसी के बारे में पता चलता है तो उसमें फिर हम आगे इन्वेस्टिगेट करके एक्शन लेंगे।
जो अभी जो अरेस्ट हुआ 4 आदमी का, जैसे आपने नाम बताया, अभी वो लोग का क्या स्टेटस है सर? और कुछ
वो लोग अभी आज ही अरेस्ट हुआ है। एज ऑफ नाउ दे आर इन आई थिंक ट्रिम्स। अभी उनको ट्रिम्स में भेजा है मेडिकल के लिए, जो हमारा प्रोसेस है। तो उसके बाद वो आएंगे, कल हम उनको कोर्ट के सामने प्रस्तुत करेंगे। देयर आफ्टर वी लास्ट फॉर देयर रिमांड, पुलिस रिमांड।
सर काफ़ी केसेस में चर्चा चलता है, पता नहीं हम लोग शायद गलत भी होता होगा कि अरेस्ट होने के बाद सीधा अस्पताल पहुंच जाता है जेल का जगह। कहाँ तक सही है सर ये सब?
मीन्स इन आवर विद SIC वी आर नॉट फेसिंग सच इश्यूज with that particular case. Mr. Tamio Tatak sir was after arrest he was admitted for observation in Pasighat, but due cooperation was given by the district administration and DMO Pasighat. and after doing the test, he was discharged from the Patighat and given to our custody. So means I am not agreeing with your thing that they are
No,
getting
that's why I'm
addicted.
telling. May I be wrong in that part?
Yes.
So thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Basically,